It's just turning into fucking soup. So we have the fucking finest arches in the town. Is this just a heater to make this cure faster? So we're back at the AE86. This footage is from August until November 2022. And over that time we stripped the doors, the wings, fixed them up and got them ready for primer and paint. A lot of this kind of footage was pretty repetitive, so I've cut out a lot of it as there was a lot of sanding and grinding and just taking off paint. Then there's a bit of the green here, whatever that is. Unearthing the history here. More surprises. Doors, wings, they're the cream wings. And what's funny is they were also red over black with one coat of paint on it. Hopefully it's not a lemon. Okay, if you really didn't like someone,
this is the stuff.
That stuff there, look how, like, I bet you they haven't changed the fucking design on it since
looks
the
like the 70s. It'll be funny when you see this footage because it's just been, we're like, you know, doing a little bit every evening, but let's give you a little update on the misery. So now we are stripping the back of the wings, as you can see. You can see Barry's handiwork here with the shopping trolley. It's delicious. Jackie was adamant to get the back of the wings stripped because there's like hidden danger. I don't know if you can see that, but ringworm rust. But it's hiding under the paint that was on the back. So we're gonna cover this in that kind of spray sealer stuff that we used on the car. That's the intention. But look at how fucking disgusting this is like. So we just have to get absolutely everything off. Hank, it's messy, but it's worth it. So yeah, this is where we are on the grand scheme of things. What do you reckon? Where wheel? Where wheel the rest of it, yeah. That's all you can really do, isn't it?
You won't really, yeah, it's just not lifting.
It's not lifting the last little bit. Well, I think it's down to that fucking brush, to be honest.
The brush.
We got the most out of that one, for
Yeah.
sure.
I don't know what happened, we had loads of brushes, but we were fucking them away, like, just like, yeah, and then suddenly it was like, oh, bollocks, we're down to the one brush. But the wings they're grand. A few tiny little areas of rust, but
That fucking where the aerial is.
yeah.
For someone with
Oh yeah, the terrible welded on aerial. So we'll go at that and make it a little bit better. It's just turning into fucking soup.
yeah.
So this is what we're dealing with anyway. And someday we'll look back and laugh. So what do we have here? It's called
Silk.
silk. So it's like a finishing.
Self-labelling kind of stuff.
Wow.
Cool.
It is like milk, isn't it?
Fucking running up, it makes my life a hell of a lot fucking easier. Just easier to finish.
Yeah. So we have the fucking finest arches in the town.
And you're like, come on.
Oh yeah. It's like a fucking art form, man. Like a sculptor. Yeah. Is this just a heater to make this cure faster?
Infrared, like, fucking dry it out.
Oh fuck.
like lads go around with hot air guns. All you're doing is skinning it over on the outside.
Yeah. Is that see the high and low spots kind of thing?
That's just like the guide.
Fascinating. So to get the straighten it or to curve it,
Or whatever you want.
fuck, it's so easily amused by it. So you'll try and match a slight profile and then just
I usually just fucking have it straight.
just straight.
I locked this down for the fucking first deal.
Just like with the metalwork and stuff though, people can actually appreciate how this stuff is done, like how it's a long process. Like, this is all the shit people don't see. They give you a car and then they just come back again and it's like, yay, look at my nice car, and you're like, well, let me show you all the shit that I had to do.
Obviously, we're going to burn through some of the bare metal.
Yeah.
The filler is going over fucking perfectly fine.
Yeah.
But any bare metal, when we're, like before we put the spray filler on, I just blow a bit of epoxy on.
Yeah. Yeah, it is just one skim of filler. Just, it's mad seeing all the high and low spots as well.
Like what we'll do then, like with like the light skim now, like we'll try not burn through.
Yeah.
It's like you'll see through the filler basically.
Yeah.
Yes.
Once this is even, you go again.
It's like this is 120.
Yeah. The next one then,
180.
but it'll already be level from the first skim, like. Okay.
Larry taught me a trick years ago. Close your eyes or look away. Because your eyes will trick yourself.
Yeah, well, you're seeing the different colours, so you're feeling the high and low spots with your hand by looking away. Make it look easy. It's always good to see progress. I love it. Thank you, as always, for maintaining enthusiasm all day to get to this time with me. That's lovely. So while I'm doing a bit of misery grinding, you're shaping the arch. That's lovely, man.
Our skin now and
You happy?
getting there.
You're hiding all the little weld marks and all the imperfections on the pocket. So we'll have a mint pocket.
Main pocket, lad.
That's the attention to detail, Jackie. No one's ever going to see it. But
See you when I'm painting.
when it was in the epoxy, like, I was like, wow,
Yeah, grand,
look at it, it's perfect. Because this is on top of all the pinning and all the little tapping you've been doing, so.
Pinning it all out and filing. And you're all like, you know, a brand new panel, you wouldn't be able to metal finish. And if you wanted to stay another 20 hours fucking pinning and filing and tinning the shit out of metal.
Nah, man.
You know, like it's an old fucking car.
Yeah.
You have to fucking, if you use fillers right, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's when you start putting in like a fucking,
So you can see it, it's like the thinnest film of.
see-through. Like.
Yeah, it is the whole way. So there's less than like 0.5 of a mil.
Fuck all in it.
Even all the other little bits and bobs, like where Barry had welded and joined stuff, you come in then and just seamlessly blend it out. See, I wasn't sure if you were gonna, like, I just didn't know how that worked. I haven't seen it in years, so that's lovely.
Wasn't down there, like need a little bit more than.
Yeah.
But it'll be fine.
Grand. Years of trying to make sure the arch would be correct. I think overall, between you and the other lad now, that's as good as.
Yeah, good. Like Barry, in fairness, the arch is nice.
Yeah. It's just impossible for him to finish it perfect in metal, I guess.
You can.
I'm currently dealing with all these little spider kind of rust fucking webs that are hidden under the paint. So I'm going to try grind as many of them out as we can. So, yeah, lots of grinding.
as you may have noticed. Second night in a row. And somebody had blanked off the aerial, but they done a terrible job. So it's like, look at the tiny little hole that was there. Now it's not. Just put a square on it, so now you have to fix that.
It's gonna be easy as fucking. It's actually, what they done is harder
because they welded over it.
Weld it over, and then you have to fill it all over, like.
Just a little few bits of scutter.
Bits, nothing.
Because these were on a drift car, so obviously, like, no one cared really. Like, little magnet makes everything handy.
Fucking kind of hold it in place.
Yeah.
Like that, like.
Little magnet to get the big magnet. Now all the little bits that Barry forgot to do.
Man, bar.
I know, there's just all little stupid fucking small little bits and bobs on these and that, so it's all the shit you spot when you take off all the paint.
Grind marks in the back.
Good luck. All the behind the scenes gruesome misery. Jackie spent the last few hours here sorting this out. It's all the stuff you don't see till you start going looking for it.
By Jesus, do you see
And
it?
by Jesus, do you see it then? All the high spots, the low spots, the imperfections.
Should have this one. This wing will be kind of ready for filler tomorrow night.
Yeah. The blue marker.
Permanent blue mark.
See the highs and lows.
Highs and lows.
And as you can see, there's quite a few highs and lows.
Yes.
And you don't want to, like, you're going to use as little filler as
Yeah, I
possible,
don't
so
like-
that's there.
Like I said to you a few minutes ago, we were fucking messing, and we said, like, I'll skim the whole panel filler, like,
Yeah,
but it's not going to be full of filler.
exactly.
It's
It's
just
just
like
the bare skim,
Bare wipe of
the
filler.
bare wipe of the filler. That'll be the excitement. And like we were laughing, these videos will probably be 3 or 4 videos over the space of probably 7, 8, 9 months. So
There's no point in fucking.
yeah, because we're working. And there's not like anyone here, which in a way is an absolute blessing that we don't have like 20 lads hanging out with us up here.
When there is, yeah, no.
Yeah. Seen from the last time, it was a little bit wavy from, you know, just getting it beat into shape, so you put the final caress on it to
Finish it out.
make it all smooth and finish it out. I know it looks a bit mad on camera because it's different grooves, but it's fucking delicious.
Jackie is a total perfectionist and I'd be absolutely lost without him. I completely admire his dedication to spend a full day of work in this workshop and then get stuck into the 86 build with me every night trying to chase the perfect finish. A labour of love. It's just incredible to see. I didn't get a chance to explain this at the time, but this is called lead loading and it's the old school way of doing fillers. Tio, who runs the body shop, wanted to do it on the little piece of aerial, so I bought a lead kit from the UK and he applied it here where you can see where the original aerial was, and just finished it in metal. It looks absolutely incredible and it's something you don't see that often anymore.
Nice. Lovely. Thank you very much.
And now for the bill.
Yeah. Cha-ching. It's amazing, man. A lost art form. Class.